Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login8, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send a video message on WhatsApp. So now without any further delay, let's begin with the steps. First of all, launch WhatsApp on your mobile device. Now once you are here, launch any conversation with an individual, or you can also open a group chat where you want to send a video message to. I'm just gonna open this group chat. Now, just at the bottom right corner, you can see a camera icon just beside the microphone icon. Tap on it. With that, your camera will be opened. Now, just beside photo, you can see the option of video. Tap on it. Now, just tap on the red circle on your screen in order to record a video. Now, once you see the square option, this means that your video is being recorded. In order to stop the recording, tap on this square icon. Now, your video has been stopped recording and your video message is ready. Now, just beside the option of add a caption, you can see a time-like icon. If you tap on it, the video is set to view once. If you tap on it again, the video will remain permanently in the chat itself. Now, you can write a caption for your video message as well. So, let me write a caption for this message. Now, tap on the option of send at the right-hand corner. Now, your video message has been successfully sent. So, that's all for today, and if you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos.